This video is to explain how to look up the parity, look up all the sows above a certain parity in a specific batch. So for example, if we wanted to find all the sows that are above parity 8 in batch 120, this video explains that. So you want to go to filter out the sows. So go to this reproduction button here, click animals, and this brings you to the page. Click the little filter button here. And here is where you can search for sows in any which way that you want to. So if we want to filter out the service group, let's say we're looking for service group 119, because that's the sows in there. Then we want to look for parity number, right? And so let's say we want greater than a parity 8, for example. Hit display. Then it will pull you up a list of all the girls that are greater than a parity 8. Note these girls are greater than parity 8. So if you want to see the parity 8s, then you're going to want to go greater than a parity 7, right? And then that will show you the parity 8s as well. So this way you can see total if you select them all, right? We have, it should go on here, but you can see all of these sows that are in batch 119. You see current service group is 119 and their parity is above 10. Note that if you don't see this screen right here, it could be because you're on a different view. So right here is how you change the view. So let's say you're on a different view. Let's say you're on location, right? And then you can see actually the location that these girls are in. But you can't actually see, if they're a parity and part of that group. So this is where you can toggle to see the different views. If you want to find the service group and the parity number, go to current service group. So once you're on current service group, if you want to export that to Excel or you want to print it, what you can do is click all of this. Or let's say, and then you go operations, and then you go down to here and go export animals, right? And then you could export all those animals to an Excel spreadsheet. If you wanted to then program it into the wand, you could take that thing and program it into the wand so it shakes, or you can just print out your list here because now you have your list of sows and where they are, the room, the pen, the service group, and the parity. So now you have a list that you can print out that you can just print right via Excel if you want to print that. Or going back, the other thing you can do, let's say you decide that you want to call all of these girls. In the software, you could go operations, and then you could put the to be called function. And then once you hit that, hope it doesn't do it. Yeah, and then you put the date, the reason, and then you can call all the girls that you've selected here. So that's how you pull up all the girls that you want to call, or the parity girls based on the service group.